Snake birth is a surprisingly varied process. While many species lay eggs, others retain those eggs within their bodies until the young are born alive. Generally speaking, we speak of oviparity, egg-laying, ovoviviparity, eggs develop and hatch inside the mother, and more complex forms of viviparity in which the embryo receives nutrition directly from the mother. These different strategies respond to millions of years of adaptation to diverse climates and habitats. In oviparous species, such as many colubrids and pythons, the female forms a membrane in her oviduct that will give rise to an egg with a flexible or leathery shell. The mother typically seeks a protected site, leaf litter, termite mound, hollow log, or underground nest, and lays a clutch that can range from a few to more than 20 eggs depending on the species. In most cases, the mother leaves after laying them. However, there are notable exceptions. Pythons, for example, coil around their eggs and generate heat through muscular contractions to maintain a stable temperature that facilitates development. Studies and observations even document periods of protection and maternal care after hatching in some species. The time it takes for eggs to incubate depends on the species and temperature. For many temperate snakes or terrarium species, incubation typically takes between 6 and 10 weeks, although there are variations. Some may take longer or shorter depending on environmental conditions. Temperature and humidity during incubation influence the development and successful mating rate of the young. When the time comes to hatch the young pip, they use a temporary tooth or movements to pierce the membrane and open the shell. Unlike many birds, most snake pups emerge already functional. They can move, locate, and capture small prey, and are generally independent from day one, although with high mortality rates from predators and adverse conditions. Some mothers protect or guide the young for a short time, but prolonged parental care is rare among snakes. In contrast to oviparous species, many snakes from cold or marine climates, such as numerous vipers, boas, and sea snakes, retain embryos and give birth to live young. In sea snakes, this allows the neonates to be born already in the water, ready to swim. These different strategies show how reproduction adapts to the safety and availability of resources in each ecosystem. In short, for a snake, being born can mean breaking out of a shell and slithering toward independence, or being born alive after prolonged internal development, but it always implies the same urgency to survive in a world full of prey and danger. Each species has fine-tuned its reproductive strategy to maximize the chances of a new generation being able to perpetuate the species. And remember that curiosity and continuous learning are key to expanding our knowledge and understanding of this wonderful natural world. Like and subscribe and rings the bell.